Today, we're going to discuss how to print barcodes in Crystal reports with VB.NET. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to print barcodes in Crystal reports using VB.NET and the IronBarcode library. We'll generate barcodes, store them in a database, and display them in Crystal reports. So let's get started. First, let me show you the NuGet package manager. As you can see here, I've already installed the IronBarcode package and the Microsoft.data.sql client package for database connectivity in this VB.NET project. So now let's look at our program.vb file. At the top, we import IronBarcode, Microsoft.data.sql client for database operations, and then system.io for the file handling. Inside the main subroutine, we set the IronBarcode license key in a region. Then we create a code 128 barcode using barcodewriter.createBarcode with the required value. Then we add a barcode value text below using add barcode value text below barcode, and then resize it to 400 by 150 pixels using resize2 for your appropriate dimensions. Next, we need to convert the barcode to bytes for database storage. We create a temporary file path using path.getTempFileName and save the barcode as a PNG. Then we read the file as byte array using file.readAllBytes, and then delete the temporary file to clean it all up. We next define our connection string for SQL Server Express, pointing to the Crystal Report Barcode demo database with integrated security. We create an SQL connection and prepare an insert command to add data to the products table with product code and barcode image columns. We add parameters to our command, the product code as customer 12345, and the barcode image as our byte array. We open the connection, execute command using execute non-query, and then display a success message. I've already run this program and inserted the barcode into the database, so let's go ahead and move to the Crystal Report project. So now in the Crystal Report Designer, let me show you the Field Explorer on the left. We have database fields expanding, showing our products table with 3 fields: product ID, product code, and barcode image. These are the fields that we'll use to display our barcode data in the report. Looking at the report layout, we have multiple sections. Here in section 3 details, you can see 2 fields, product code on the left and barcode image on the right. The product code displays the customer code, and the barcode image field displays the actual barcode image stored in the database. And if you notice here how the barcode appears with PROD 12345 text below it. All right, so now let's take a look at our report preview. Here's our completed Crystal report showing the product code on the left and the barcode image on the right. The barcode displays beautifully with the clean black bars and the text below it. So this demonstrates how IronBarcode integrates seamlessly with Crystal reports for really professional barcode printing reports and labels. And that's it, my friends. You successfully learned how to generate barcodes with IronBarcode, store them in SQL Server, and display them in Crystal reports. This solution is perfect for inventory management, product labeling, or any application requiring barcode reports. We really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronBarcode, please sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.